Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nasha Salsabil. My student ID is 2025-32-097 from class C. Today, I would like to present my practical work report for graphic design class. The task was to create a poster using Figma application. The theme I chose is AI protecting the future of coral reefs, or in Indonesian, AI menjaga masa depan terumbu karang. In this video, I will explain step by step how I create this design from the beginning until it became the final result you see here. So let's start. Step 1. Preparing the canvas. First of all, I opened the Figma application. The first thing I did was prepare the workspace or the artboard. I create a new frame and set the size. Determining the size is very important so that all elements can fit perfectly and the composition looks proportional, not too stretched or too small. I choose a vertical orientation because it looks better for a poster. Step 2. Creating the background. Next, I work on the background. Since the theme is about the ocean and technology, I decided to use shades of blue. I didn't just use plain color, I used a gradient color. I combined dark blue with a little bit of lighter blue to create a depth effect, like the underwater atmosphere. This gradient makes the background look more dynamic and not boring. Step 3. Inserting illustrations. After the background was ready, I started inserting the visual elements or illustrations. I searched and put images of a robot, fish, and coral reefs. Here, I had to arrange their positions very carefully. I placed the robot in the center to make it main focus. Then, I added the fish swimming around and the corals at the bottom. I also adjust the size of each object. I made sure they were not too big or too small, so everything looks balanced. I also used the layers feature to arrange which object should be in front and which one should be behind, so nothing overlaps incorrectly. Step 4. Adding text and typography. Then, I start adding the text. This part is very important because it delivers the message. First, I made the main title AI menjaga masa depan terumbu karang. I used a bold font type and made the size large so it's easy to read from a distance. I also adjusted the letter spacing or the distance between letters so it looks neat and elegant. Next, I added the subtitle or tagline, memantau, melindungi, dan menyelamatkan ekosistem laut. For this text, I use a smaller size but still clear. Then, I made the bullet points to explain the details. Number 1, AI monitors coral health in real time. 2, sensors detect ecosystem change. And 3, data helps conservation become more effective. For these paragraphs, I adjust the line height or the space between lines. I increase the spacing a little bit so that the text is not too thick and more comfortable to read. I choose white color for all text to create a strong contrast against the blue background. Step 5. Adding effects and finishing. To make the design look more professional and alive, I added some effects. I gave a little bit of drop shadow to the text so it stands out and doesn't blend with the background image. I also added a glowing effect around the robot, the detection circle to emphasize the technology and AI them. After all elements were placed, I checked again the alignment and spacing. I moved things slightly here and there until the whole composition looks balanced, neat, and aesthetic. So, this is the final result of my poster. The main purpose of this poster is to show how technology, especially artificial intelligence, can help nature. That is all the process of making my poster. I really enjoy doing this practical work because I learned a lot about how to use Figma properly, how to arrange elements, and how to make a design look attractive but still informative. I hope this work meets the expectations. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Goodbye and thank you.